So today we are visiting Chand Shilp Shala center. So this is the main entrance to the center. This is the gallery area towards the center. This is our student notice board area and student creativity corner. There is a notice board area for all information, detailed information. This is the reception area and office area. This is the center manager director cabin, and this is the policeman cell. So from the reception area, we are moving towards the classroom area. So this is the main office area, and this is the DTU classroom or the computer lab. From this classroom, we are heading towards another classroom. This is our FATP classroom, the Fashion Entrepreneurship Development Program. This is the classroom practical area. From this classroom, we are heading towards another classroom. So this is our ABT, the Assistant Beauty Therapist classroom. From the classroom area, we will head towards the library, and this is our pantry area, and this is the main lobby, the gallery area.